In 2022, more than 4,000 black workers united in bringing a massive lawsuit through the California Department of Fair Employment and Housing based on accounts of racial segregation, discrimination, harassment and retaliation allegedly endured at Tesla's manufacturing plant in Fremont, California. The lawsuit is the largest California racial discrimination complaint filed by the state in terms of number of workers affected. Khanuja Law has been able to successfully advocate for these victims to receive workers' compensation for claims of systematic racial discrimination at the Tesla factory in Fremont. Defendants, Tesla, discriminated against black and/or African American workers by segregating them to undesirable work areas and/or locations, assigning them to more physically demanding jobs, lower-level roles, or contract positions with lower pay and more limited growth opportunities, and affording them fewer advancement and other professional opportunities than their non-black counterparts because of race in violation of Government Code Section 12940, Subdivision A. Monkeys work outside. Due to the limited space inside the Tesla facility in Fremont, black workers testified to being racially segregated to work outside under all weather conditions year-round, including but not limited to pouring rain, 100-degree heat or during the freezing cold winters. The departments that are comprised of majority of non-black workers allegedly work inside the facility with air conditioning during the warm summers and heating during the chilling winters. Only black workers had to scrub floors on their hands and knees and, relegated to the Fremont, California, factory's most difficult physical jobs. Per the class action lawsuit, Tesla purportedly tasks their black workers the most physically demanding work and assigns them strenuous 12-hour shifts at least 6 days a week at the factory. As a result, the black workers frequently sustain musculoskeletal injuries for repetitive heavy lifting, carrying, bending, kneeling, scrubbing and overexerting for a prolonged period of time. A former black Tesla worker testified to training several new, inexperienced non-black workers due to seniority and skill level. Nevertheless, the latter subsequently received promotions and raises over the seasoned worker. Per the testimony, the Tesla Fremont facility has consistently withheld promotions from black workers in favor of promoting less qualified, non-black workers for same. Countless black Tesla workers have filed claims on the basis of being blackballed when applying for higher positions in the company despite meeting the qualifications for the position and receiving favorable performance reviews. The accounts of systematic racial discrimination have been reportedly ongoing for nearly a decade now. Black workers make up 20% of Tesla's factory assemblers, even though only 3% of professionals at the Fremont plant are black. Per the California Department of Fair Employment and Housing, Tesla confines black workers to jobs that involve manual labor and restricts them from working in management and/or any position of power. Over the last 10 years, Human Resources supposedly received numerous employees' complaints regarding racist slurs, offensive graffiti and hate speech in the workplace, including but not limited to being called the N-word and told to go back to Africa. Tesla allegedly ignored these complaints and thereby cultivated a hostile work environment for black employees. If you are currently experiencing systematic racial discrimination in the workplace, Khanuja Law will advocate for you to receive the compensation you deserve. We have the experience and expertise to successfully litigate any workers' compensation claim in California. To request a free consultation today, please visit khanujalaw.com.